Popping bottles, eating deep dish Chicago.
What's up with y'all? We're back with another video. Giordano deep dish.
What's up, y'all? I'm here at McDonald's.
Y'all probably like, why y'all eating deep dish again? We in Chicago. Y'all got cheese.
And we already had breakfast, y'all. I'm gonna try his honey.
I got cheese.
Okay. Not my forte. I'm gonna try it right.
Mm. I know I gotta have my red pepper.
I need extra cheese. You can never do too much cheese. Yeah, I might have to do. Mm, mm.
See, their pieces more softer than the other location. For the other location, I like the crunch. Everybody's piece is different. That's why I say the check. Yeah, the try the Giordano. It's the honey.
I'm gonna try it right.
The honey fire.
Mm, mm. I'm gonna try the honey on the pizza. Hey, I'm gonna get right behind you. So, y'all, this so
You
dramatic.
still got this white shirt on. Why would she do that?
It's so damn dramatic. Nah,
She a,
he's the
she a
most
messy
dramatic
eater.
man I
She's a
know.
messy eater. Trying to rant.
Romantic weird.
Mm.
I'm trying to pizza.
And ran good.
Pizza. Because I'll eat the rest of the pizza with a fork. Yeah. I'm gonna get off.